Today we're going to do a quick Pilates workout that focuses on repairing your core. Deep core exercises are what helped me repair my core after having 3 kids and 2 of those being C-sections. Focus on your form and move at your own pace. You're going to start on your back. A dumbbell is optional. It will challenge you a little bit more. If this is your first time doing Pilates exercises, I recommend starting without a dumbbell. You're going to lay straight on your back. You're going to bring the dumbbell over your chest if you are using it. You're going to bring your legs up at tabletop and tap with your toes for 30. Exercise, you're going to bring your hips up into a hip thrust. Make sure you are tightening your core. Dumbbell again above your chest if you are using it. And you're going to march up. Make sure you are engaging your core for 30. Final exercise, stay in this position and you're going to bring your leg straight out in front of you and up. Don't bring it all the way to the ground. For 15. Core engaged. Other side for 15. Rest for 30 seconds and we will go to round 2. Make sure you're not holding your breath during these exercises. You're keeping the core engaged. You're not just sucking in, you're breathing and tightening the muscles. That is what's going to help repair your core while doing these exercises. 30 seconds are up. Let's go round 2. If you're using a dumbbell and it feels like it's getting heavier, you're welcome to do the last round without it. Drink some water. Final round, let's do this.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place.
I know that we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out, I won't let it go. Let's go way out, face out, losing all control.
Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spend it up. Go out and smash it. Like oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's get off.
Shine a light through an open door. Love and life I will define. Turn away 'cause
We did it. Congrats on doing something for yourself today. Thank you for joining me on this Pilates workout. I recommend that you do 2 deep core exercises a week in order to see a significant improvement in the tightness of your core after postpartum. If you found this workout helpful, save, comment, share with another mom. Thank you. See you in the next one.